Superb yellow curry, easy to make, a nice Thai curry there, very Thai. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're cooking how you should not cook, but it works. We're going to make a Thai yellow chicken curry. Okay, it's a very easy recipe. We are using a curry paste, and we'll get to that in a minute. This is not how you should make it, but it works. It's quick, it's easy. Let's show you. Come on. Cold pan. We're going to chop everything and throw it in there. Okay, a Thai curry, yellow curry, has onion in. Okay, nothing special, just whiz it through with your knife like that. Okay, and in that pan. Now I've already chopped a small onion there, so I'm going to put that in as well. There was two really small onions, so it's in there. Just use a large one. Right, it contains potatoes. So we want some small cubed potatoes in that pan. Now, like I say, this is not the way to cook, but it works. Okay, so for all the purists, moan away. Now I'm going to do slightly more potato, because I tell you, what you don't eat here, warmed up, oh wow, it's just mind-blowing. Okay, the flavors have all come together. It's sensational. It's like any curry. Okay, so we've got quite a lot going on there, look. As you can see, nothing in there. Onions and potato. We're using chicken breast, and these things are enormous for some reason. They must have been feeding them on something. So we're going to cube these to bite size. That's going in there. In there. Let's clear away. Okay, as you can see, we've got a whole pan of raw ingredients, completely raw. So we want to put that on a cooker. This is what we're doing here. We're cooking with a paste. This paste is my favorite brand, Maepranom brand. Back in the UK, Maepranom is a fantastic brand, and you can buy it in Sainsbury's, Asda, whatever, and it comes in a tub, and you can buy the yellow curry version. It's excellent, but here, this is my favorite brand. That's what I'm using. Okay, my favorite brand of coconut milk is Roy D. You can use any. I prefer this one. I've cooked with them all. This is fantastic. Now what you don't do, you don't shake this. Okay, not for this. Because what happens, the coconut milk cream comes to the top and the bottom is water. Now we want the cream first and then chuck the water in. And this paste, we're just going to take out of there, so we're ready to go. There you go, look at that. Now, if you read the back of these packets or you cook Thai regular, it says 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons sugar, whatever. Okay, it's the normal bog standard Thai way of cooking, slightly sweet, slightly sour, blah blah, and a little bit of heat. Okay, these yellow curry pastes are not spicy. They've got a little taste to them. They're not spicy, so this is a fantastic curry to put together. Okay, coconut sugar or palm sugar. If you can't get it, use brown sugar or white sugar. We'll do that today. Fish sauce of choice. Let's get on and do this. Now, you shouldn't do it like this, but I'll tell you, it works. Of course it works, as I wouldn't be showing you. Okay, clear yourself a space like that. In there with a couple of tablespoons of oil. Put on your flame. And we're going to start to fry. This is just so ridiculously easy. I'm not fooling. Okay, and normally you wouldn't do that. You know, you would actually cook off your coconut milk first, split the milk, add the paste. I'm sure all the purists are going to go mad, but who cares? So you can just give it a little whiz round. Start cooking a little bit off in there. Don't go to too much trouble. Little bit of salt if you so wish. You have to be a bit careful because the curry paste contains salt, and you know some of them are way too salty. So it's nothing of a job really, this. Look, we start off like this. We're not trying to cook anything as such, we're just trying to soften a little bit, and we're not going to be cooking for a great length of time. So like I say, cooking Thai, what you would do, you know, if you're going to cook a paste like these pastes, have a little bit of oil in there, start to cook off your paste, introduce a little bit of coconut milk, and you split the coconut milk. You cook it until the oils come out, and then you carry on adding coconut milk, whatever. We're not doing it like that, okay? That is the correct way to do it. This, on this curry, is exceptional. We're just starting it off like this. Just give it a couple of minutes. Just keep turning it over. All right, let's crack the lid on this thing. Okay, just clear yourself a space. There's a little bit of water and stuff forming in there off the potatoes and the chicken. We don't worry about it. Take your curry paste. Now if you're using the Maepranom and it comes out of a tub, take about 50 grams out with a spoon, a couple of tablespoons like that. So let's get this in here. Okay, just stir everything in, coat it up in that paste, and we're going to give it a little fry until some of this water comes out of here, and then we're going to add some coconut milk. Come on, look how easy this is. Oh, that smells incredible. Oh, I love that smell. Just give it a little fry, just keep giving it a little turn over. Now I like white pepper in this. I'm not even going to put it in the ingredients, okay? Don't put it in if you don't want to use it. Just follow the ingredients. I want a little bit of white pepper in there. And can you see, look, we've got quite a lot of water cooking off there with the oil at the moment. So we're just going to keep going a little minute until we've cooked some of this water out. Okay, what we need to be doing is adding some coconut milk. Now, like I say, you don't shake this because that is coconut cream. That's the cream at the top. You can stir that in first. Now, if you were cooking this and there wasn't so much water, that would be cooking in the oil right from the start. Just give that a little minute in there. Oh, it smells amazing. And we can go in there with a little bit of sugar. Now, I don't like this overly sweet, so I'm only going to go in with about 1 tablespoon. Now, you can adjust this with taste as you go along. And they always 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, but sometimes it's overpowering. So just up to a tablespoon. That puts depth in there, you know. Typical Thai flavors. But obviously if you don't like fish sauce, don't put it in. Okay, let's give that a nice little bit of cooking in there. In with the rest of the carton. And as you can see, look, this is the watery end. Well, we want that in there, obviously. Now give the can a wring out and you'll find that some more cream comes out of there. Give it a stir in. Don't worry all about all these bits of coconut cream. It's all going to get cooked in there. Up to a simmer, stick a lid on, 40 minutes. So we got a little simmer going on there, look. Nice and gently, give it a stir. 40 minutes with a lid on, keep coming along, give it a stir. Okay, grab yourself a fork and we want to be checking those potatoes. Now they're not very big obviously, so they should be, yeah, they're cooked, right. Let's leave the lid off and give this a simmer for about 5 minutes or so. Now the only thing I would suggest is give it a taste, and if you want to put more fish sauce in or more sugar, up to you. Okay. That is fine. Okay, that's really good enough for me. We need to be serving that. My mouth's watering. I love yellow curry. In fact, we're 7 minutes short of 40 minutes. There you go. So about 35 minutes. Done. In there some rice. In there. Oh, there we have it. Look at that. That is lush. Potatoes, look, are soft. Still got a little bit of bite to them, look. Magic. Chicken. Well, I don't know how we can pull it apart in here, actually. Chicken is soft, it's tender. Oh, it's cooked through. Oh, that is absolutely banging. How not to cook. Oh, that's warm. Oh, delicious. Absolutely delicious. Superb yellow curry. Easy to make. A nice Thai curry there. Very Thai. There you go, there's a fantastic, look how creaminess that is. There's a fantastic, not how to cook, but it works. It's a fantastic, easy to put on the table from a paste. There you go, if you like what we're doing, share with your friends, tell them how easy it is to make that Thai yellow curry from a paste, or no pre-cooking and messing around, all in one pan. It's delicious. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. That's a good introduction to Thai curry.